Have you noticed your legs aren't what they used to be? Maybe standing up feels like a struggle, or climbing stairs leaves you exhausted. You're not alone. Millions of seniors experience these changes and often think it's just a normal part of aging. But what if I told you that this weakness, this loss of balance, isn't something you have to accept? In fact, it's one of the first signs of a hidden problem that can be reversed quickly and safely with the right approach. Imagine regaining the strength and confidence to move freely without fear of falling or needing help. The answer isn't expensive therapy or strenuous exercise. It's about giving your body three essential vitamins it's quietly starving for. Real science, real results. If you're ready to reclaim your independence, stay with me because I'm about to reveal exactly what you need to do, step by step. Let's start with the one vitamin that acts as a master switch for your entire body, vitamin D3. If you're over 60, feeling your legs grow heavier, or noticing that simple things like climbing stairs or standing up take more effort, you're not alone. Most people chalk this up to just aging, but the truth is your body is quietly crying out for vitamin D3, a deficiency that creeps in silently and steals your strength before you even realize what's happening. After 60, your skin gets thinner and your body's ability to make vitamin D3 from sunlight drops dramatically. You probably spend less time outdoors, and even when you do, your body can't convert sunlight into this crucial nutrient like it once did. As a result, your muscles weaken, your bones become fragile, and your balance falters. You might find yourself feeling anxious, impatient, or struggling to sleep at night. Subtle warning signs that your body's running low on D3. But here's the good news. Restoring your vitamin D3 levels can spark a dramatic change. Clinical research shows that seniors who supplement with D3 can regain up to 19% more leg strength in just a few weeks. Imagine waking up and feeling steady on your feet, confident as you move through your day, no longer afraid of falling or needing help to get out of a chair. Vitamin D3 doesn't just help your bones absorb calcium. It turns on the power in your muscles, helps your nerves send clear signals, and fights off the muscle loss that comes with age. If you're experiencing leg cramps at night, exhaustion from walking, or pain in your hips and knees, don't ignore these signs. They're your body's way of asking for help. The recommended dose for most seniors is 800 to 1,000 IU daily, or up to 2,000 IU if you've had falls or feel especially frail. Always take it with a meal containing healthy fats like eggs, salmon, or olive oil for best absorption. Don't let vitamin D3 deficiency rob you of your independence. With the right support, you can restore your strength, reclaim your confidence, and enjoy the freedom to move without fear. Start today. Your body will thank you, and so will your loved ones. Now let's talk about a vitamin that often goes unnoticed, yet has the power to transform how you move, think, and feel every single day. Vitamin B12. If you're over 60 and find yourself shuffling when you walk, feeling tingling or numbness in your feet, or struggling with balance even on flat ground, you're not just getting older, your body is sending you a distress signal. Vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the most overlooked causes of leg weakness and instability in seniors, and the consequences can be life-changing. Imagine waking up each morning and feeling unsure on your feet, needing to steady yourself before you even take a step. Maybe you've noticed your legs don't always listen, or you feel a strange buzzing or burning in your feet. These aren't just random annoyances. They're classic signs your nerves are struggling. and vitamin B12 is the missing link. B12 is the essential connector between your brain and your muscles, especially in your legs. When your B12 levels drop, those signals get fuzzy. Your muscles react more slowly, your reflexes dull, and even simple tasks like standing or walking can become daunting. But here's the hope. Restoring your vitamin B12 levels can help you regain control, balance, and confidence. Clinical research shows that seniors who supplement with B12 report less numbness, steadier walking, and faster reaction times, sometimes within weeks. Imagine the relief of standing up without fear, walking across a room without wobbling, and feeling sharp and alert again. It's not just your legs that benefit. B12 also lifts your mood, sharpens your memory, and helps you sleep better. Why is B12 deficiency so common in seniors? As we age, our stomachs produce less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. Medications, digestive issues, and plant-based diets can make it even worse. The good news is that B12 supplements are safe, effective, and easy to take, especially in the active form, methylcobalamin, which your body can use immediately. If you're experiencing leg weakness, tingling, or unexplained fatigue, don't wait. A daily dose of 500 to 1,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin can make a world of difference. Give your nerves the support they need and take the first step towards stronger legs, clearer thinking, and a more confident you. Your independence is worth it, and so are you. Now let's uncover the final piece of the puzzle, the vitamin that fuels every step you take. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, or sometimes called vitamin bone. If you've ever felt like your legs are weighed down by invisible sandbags, or you're exhausted after even a short walk, your body might be desperately signaling for more of this vital nutrient. Unlike the slow, creeping weakness of aging, thiamine deficiency can hit hard, making your muscles feel drained, your energy vanish, and your motivation to move fade away. Vitamin B1 is the spark plug for your muscles. It's what allows your body to turn food, especially carbohydrates, into the energy, ATP, your muscles need to contract, lift, and carry you through every day. When you're low on thiamine, your muscles can't recharge. The result? Heavy, aching legs, frequent cramps, especially in your calves and feet, and a sense of fatigue that sleep alone can't fix. Some people even notice shortness of breath when climbing stairs, dizziness after standing up, or a general sense of slowing down that can be deeply discouraging. Why does this happen more after 60? As we age, our bodies absorb thiamine less efficiently. Medications like diuretics or antibiotics, digestive issues, or even a few glasses of wine a week can all drain your thiamine reserves. And because thiamine is water-soluble, your body can't store much. It needs a steady supply from your diet or supplements. But here's the hope. Restoring your vitamin B1 levels can reignite your energy and restore your drive. Studies show that seniors who supplement with thiamine report less fatigue, fewer cramps, and a renewed ability to enjoy walks, chores, and even hobbies. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, motivated, and ready to move, without that constant heaviness in your legs. The recommended daily intake is about 1.1 milligrams for women and 1.2 milligrams for men, but therapeutic doses can be higher, up to 50 to 100 milligrams daily, under medical supervision. Whole grains, legumes, seeds, and organ meats are great sources, but supplements are often needed for seniors. Don't let thiamine deficiency steal your spark. By giving your muscles the fuel they crave, you can reclaim your strength, restore your confidence, and rediscover the joy of movement, one energized step at a time. Don't let another day slip by feeling weaker, less confident, or dependent on others for your mobility. You deserve to enjoy every moment, walking with ease, standing tall, and living life on your terms. The solution is within your reach, and it starts with understanding the power of these three essential vitamins. Take charge of your health and independence today by learning exactly how to restore your leg strength and balance. Watch this video until the very end for a step-by-step vitamin regimen that could change your life in just days. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health advice. Your journey to stronger legs and renewed freedom begins right now.